Let me tell you something which might sting a little. The smartest student in your class wouldn't win in life. It's usually the one who dares to lift their hands and speak, to take a shot even when they know they are not fully sure. That's confidence. And here's the truth, without the confidence, the skills that you gather would just go to waste. And with confidence, the same skills that you have gathered would lift you up. And with that confidence, you could rewrite your story. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you could build your life with confidence for students just like you. That type of confidence which would not only help you pass the exams but win in life. Hi, I'm Tarun Leela. I make videos about helping students learn faster, helping them to learn the right skills and in their productivity journey. But today's video is little different. I'm going to reveal the mindset shift that a good student would have to be successful in life. So go grab a book, because this might be the greatest lesson that you'll learn in this year. When I was a student, I remember sitting in this class scared to lift my hand, even when if I knew the answer, because I was lacking confidence. The moment that you lift your hand when you are not even sure, that shows your confidence. And that's when you rewrite your mind, which would make you confident. How can a student like you be confident? Rule 1. Confidence is not natural, but you have to build it. Nobody is born confident. Even great leaders like Elon Musk, Steve Jobs had moments of doubts in their lives. They became confident because they started acting confident in the moments of doubts till it became natural to them. Key principle: actions create confidence, not the other way around. And if you're liking what I'm sharing here, do feel free to pause this video and hit that like button. This will tell YouTube that this video is worth shareable and it will help students just like you to be confident in their life. Feel free to click that subscribe button, because I'll be making one perfect video every week which would make your life better, and you do not want to miss the next one. Rule 2. Actions, mistakes, learnings, growth, more action. The more you participate in this loop, the more stronger you get, the more confident you get. The students who wait for the perfect preparation would never start, and that is what separates the winners and just the students who get stuck in life. Rule 3. Stay away from this common confident killers. Comparison. Watching toppers, thinking that you are not meant to be part of this. Stay away from comparison. Perfectionism. Waiting till being 100% sure. No one in life is 100% sure. Even Elon Musk failed 3 times to launch the right rocket. Fear of judgment. Worrying about what others would think. Body and present. Poor posture and the voice tone would define your confidence. Sit straight, talk loudly, and that will make you more confident instantly. Practical confidence habits for students. You follow these habits, you would be confident. The 2-second rule. If you know the answer, raise your hand within 2 seconds. Don't give your brain time to self-sabotage. Micro wins. Confidence grows from small wins. Complete today's targets. Talk to a stranger. Do something which you have been waiting to do for a long time. The small wins would compound and help you be confident. Posture hack. Stand straight. Put your shoulders back. It would instantly create a warrior posture which would help you be confident. Your brain would actually feel confident when your body leads it. Voice training. Read out loudly daily. Familiarize yourself with your own voice. Know your voice till what depth that it can go. Voice would control people. Inner dialogue shift. Replace what if I fail with what if I grow. Preparation is equal to confidence. If you prepare more, the more confident that you would get. Think of Sachin Tendulkar. Do you think he was confident only when he got into the pitch at 16? No, you're wrong. Because the confidence came to him because he practice hitting thousands of balls before getting into that pitch. And students, your lives are not different. If you practice every day, and that skill would compound in your life, and you would be confident by the end of this routine. Classroom is your perfect pitch. Try to implement all of these rules in your classroom. Talk to a friend, talk to your teacher, talk to your principal. Go put your ideas, perform in the auditorium. Do everything in life. It's not only the skills that you accumulate, but the confidence to make you the successful person in your life. Remember this. Confident isn't absence of fear. It's the decision to act despite having fear. And that's confidence. Every time you raise your hand, every time you start before you're perfect, every time you're choosing growth over comfort, you're building a version of yourself that the world can't ignore. So, the next time that you feel doubt, and instead of asking yourself, what if I fail? Ask yourself, what if this would make me unstoppable? And if you're 18 or even close to it, this confidence would help you in life. But you need to have the right skills to be above the people who are confident enough already. I've talked about the only skill that you need at 18 to learn right now. I made a video about it right here. Go check it out, click on this video and know which skill that I'm talking about that you need right now.